Hi, my name is Ashley. I am a student at West Thames College and I am taking level 2 hairdressing. What inspired me to do hairdressing is the fact that you can change so many hairstyles and make people look a certain way and help them enhance their beauty, make them feel so much confident in such a short amount of time. Like if you're doing a colour, you're given a set time and you can do so much within that 3 hours to make someone feel so special and confident about themselves. What I'm passionate about in hairdressing, and probably my favourite part of the course, is colouring. Like there's so many different hair types and there's so many different ways that you can put colour into hair and neutralise colour and take colour out of hair, and that's what I think is one of the most exciting parts, because it's like no matter what colour you want to go, there is a way to reach it. So recently, West Thames College students, we took part in a hairdressing competition where we had external professional judges come in and judge us based on a look that we created within a certain amount of time, which was like an hour and a half. We were put under pressure, but the pressure prepares you for the outside world, and when you do have a job in the hairdressing industry, you have to create looks and sorts of hairstyles within a certain amount of time. The most valuable thing I think I've learned in hairdressing is dealing with different types of hair textures, from dry hair to curly hair to straight hair to thin hair. You've got to be very careful and understanding of their hair types and how to work around them. One thing I love about West Thames College is we work with real life clients. We work with external clients based around teachers and help. It helps you build the confidence, gets you prepared for the outside world, and it gives you a lot of experience. Outside of my subject, the things I enjoy the most is the connection between the students and the teachers and the respect. As a 16-year-old, I am very young, but I'm spoke to as if I'm an adult.